YouTubers, what's good, baby? Oh, my hair's all over my face. Get out. Oh, sorry. Alright, y'all. How y'all boys doing? So, let's jump right into this. I had plans today, and they got completely flustered. So, those plans aren't going to be happening the way that we expected them to be happening. So, I was supposed to be going to Oktoberfest and looking at all the bikes and going to the Daytona 500 track and seeing the bikes on there and looking at all the Kawi booths and everything, but that didn't happen. So change of plans. I had to go into work because I had someone that needed help with something, so now I'm having to go to work on my day off, but it's all good. I'm not too worried about it. I'm not tripping. It is what it is. So this is not going to be like any type of crazy video. I just uploaded a day or two ago, so I was like, let me just film something. Not even sure if I'll edit this and post it and make it go live, but if it does go live, yo, what's up, y'all? So I kind of changed the camera position a little bit. I took one of the extension arms off of it because it was kind of annoying me, and the way that the camera looked on the front, it looked way too bulky, and I didn't like that. So I took one of the extensions arms out, so hopefully this isn't too looking down of an angle, but whatever. I'm still the camera's still less than a month old, and so I'm trying to mess with the setup and figure out how I like everything. So it's still new. Those dogs are fire. Yeah, and I also moved the mic to the front. I have another dead cat coming today that's supposed to work a little bit better. I ordered a pack off Amazon, so hopefully that helps the wind noise a ton. That's supposed to be here today as well. So I have a bunch of new stuff coming, and hopefully it just makes the setup even better. But yeah, so this ride's basically, like I said, just gonna be me riding to work, nothing too crazy. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video and the sounds of a beautiful ZX6R. I always wait till the last second to wave at the Harley dudes, because I'm like, if they don't wave at me, I'm not waving at them. You know how many times I've waved and got blanked waved? I can't do it anymore. So yeah, about the color grading stuff in the last video, I told myself I'm not going to talk and just give you all the sound of the bike, and then I keep talking. So, I apologize. But yeah, what I was saying was about the color grading stuff, how I put the GoPro in the flat profile for all you guys that care about it. I messed with it last video, and there's a lot that I have to learn, and about the GP log encoding and stuff, and a bunch of this, that, and Y equals MX plus B, and I'm really not trying to mess with that stuff right now. And the video came out dark. The color looked good, but it was super dark, and there's just a lot for me to learn that I don't know I'm trying to learn right now. So I'm not going to mess with it too much. I put the camera back on the regular color profile and put all the settings back on auto. So we'll leave it like this for a little bit, and when I get a chance, I'll kind of film with it not on the motorcycle and learn how to color grade. And I'm just going to film little footage here and there whenever I go out and do things that's not on the bike, or even video that I have on the bike that's extra, and I'm going to kind of learn how to do the color grading. And once I get kind of nice at it, then I'll go ahead and start color grading for these videos. The biggest thing that I noticed that's kind of like a hassle is that my monitor doesn't look the same as my phone screen and everything, because I have the settings on my monitor different, and I don't know how to put the settings on my monitor to where when I edit they look exactly how they'll look when I export it onto a phone or anything. So that's one thing that I've been having a lot of trouble with, but it's a chill Sunday, Yeah, another thing I want to talk about is I'm low-key kind of starting the wheelie journey, right? I even made a little highlight tab on my Instagram about my wheelies. I'm gonna get these wheelies down. I'm not gonna be a stunt rider by any means. I mean, obviously clip this just in case one day down the road I do become a stunt rider and I'm an absolute demon, then we'll replay this clip and remember the old days. But I don't plan on being a stunt rider or anything. I kind of just enjoy chasing out wheelies. So for everybody that's going to comment on the video and be like, you got to stop chasing your wheelies, listen, I'm not a stunt rider. I'm not going to go to 12 o'clock. I'm not doing none of that. I'm going to progressively try to get better at wheeling, and wherever that progression stops or however far it takes me, it is what it is. You know what I mean? I put a lot of money into the bike, so I'm not gonna be doing the clutch ups or anything like that right now. Like I said, it's gonna be a progression thing. If it takes me a month to be a demon, or it takes me 5 years, I don't care, because I'm not trying to become a wheelie demon. Well, I'm not gonna lie, I do kind of want to become a wheelie demon, but I'm not gonna break my bike in the process of it, or myself. So it's just gonna be chasing out power wheelies for now. But it's better than nothing. That's why I'm riding with the G. For everybody that's looking at the GPR and they're like, why is your GPR all the way up just riding on the street, or almost all the way up? It's because I like start panicking a little when I have the bike up, and then like I feel like I tilt it, and I've already landed like kind of sideways a couple of times, and like I feel the bike jerk. So it's just to help obviously when the bike's in the air. And yes, I know the GPR, ooh, that's a nice color red. And yes, I know the GPR obviously works when there's force and the bike's rolling is when it tightens up. The faster the tighter, but it helps, you know. California girls are unforgettable. I made a edit this morning, a little Instagram reel, if you haven't checked it out. Oh yeah, I'm gonna pop my Instagram up on the screen. Make sure y'all go follow me on Instagram, because I feel like my Instagram's kind of lit. I mean, it's not crazy, but it's kind of lit. Oh, I'll get there. I should have probably just rode a little bit before I came to work, down some other roads, so I can, you know, show you guys the progression, but it is what it is. On the way after work, then I'll be able to, you know, get you guys the full experience of me getting the wheel 6 inches off the floor. Yo, but shout out to Tuck. I've been watching him, like, his wheelie progress, and like, bruh, he getting kind of high with it, I'm not gonna lie. I hit him up yesterday, I'm like, bro, you might as well start shifting into second gear, brother. Man's redlining the bike in a wheelie is kind of gangster. And he's only really, I feel like he's only been at it for like a month, maybe a little bit more. And you know, he's still not getting into second gear yet. And I'm like, damn, tell me I'm gonna be in first gear for a month? It's kind of crazy. That's kind of chopped. Damn, there's so much traffic, bro. This town is getting so busy. But, so I'm probably just gonna cut the camera back on whenever I leave work. Because like I said, I don't have much plans right now. So this camera will get cut back on when I leave work. I might link up with Caesar, I might not. I'm not 100% sure what's gonna happen. I'm only gonna be at work for a little bit. So I need to take care of what I need to take care of, and then I'll show you guys the wheelie progress. So I will catch y'all in a little bit. Peace, gang! Alright, y'all. We back on the road, finally off of work. We're not gonna link up with Caesar. I have to get to the house and get my car, so I go pick my girl up, and I got tasks I need to accomplish. So unfortunately no ride today with Caesar, but not tomorrow, Monday, but Tuesday it's my day off, so I'll end up finding somewhere to ride, and we'll probably go hit Deer Park again or something. We'll figure something out to do. There's a nice little Mustang in front of me. GTCS. What does that mean? Is it like faster than a normal one? Like, can he beat me? Let's go, bro. Turn green. See if we can let some of these cars pass us, so I can try to get a wheelie on video for you guys. Wow, she pulled over right where I was planning on pulling over. Let some of these cars get in front of us. That was a good one. Let's go, baby. The wheelie god. Stop playing with me. I wonder if I can power wheelie second. Is that a dumbass thing to try? Whatever. Yeah. Second is... Woo, that's so fun. We love wheelies. Now, I mean, I'm gonna keep running the power wheelies, so if you guys want to roast me in the comments, go ahead. I don't care. I do not care, brother! Power wheelies for days! I wish I knew how to clutch up, though. That would make life so much better. She loved the cooler weather. Let's try another one over here. So fun! Who taught me how to wheelie? They should get in trouble for this. This is not okay. Teaching me how to wheelie is not a good idea. Because I'm going to be a demon! Yes! Guys, but in all honesty, like, let's talk about something. It's so much safer, honestly. Like, from all the people I've watched ride and everything I've seen happen, it's so much easier. Like, the stunt world of things is so much safer than the like speed life and lane splitting and all that dumb shit. Like, no, I say dumb shit, but obviously I'm a victim of it too. Like, I've gotten into it and acted dumb on the road before too and whatnot, but as I'm sitting here like wheeling down the road. But what I'm trying to say is, to me, the wheeling at lower speeds and like obviously not even power wheeling, just knowing how to wheelie and stuff on open roads, that side of things, like if I was to go to the compound, for example, which is like this empty place we have over here of undeveloped land, it's like an old neighborhood, it's just a bunch of open roads where people go like stunt and stuff. So if I was to go somewhere like that and just wheelie the bike, that would be much, much safer than getting on the highway and lane splitting between cars. If I'm on an empty road, or even like I am over here messing around with wheelies, if I fall off the bike and drop it, I'm wearing gear and I'm going to be a lot more safer than if I'm riding on the road where there's a bunch of idiots and I'm lane splitting through cars like a dummy. So I kind of want to get into that, you know, knowing how to wheelie and stuff like that. I don't want to be with all that goofy, like, that shit is dumb to me. Like, yeah, it's cool, like getting that adrenaline rush and everything, but dude, you got everybody that like does this super reckless shit. Like, I mean, I guess the most prime example is someone like Jixer, bro. I would say he's a he knows how to stunt ride and ride reckless. And now everybody's like, oh, you know, he's lucky he's rode this long without getting in an accident. Yeah, as much as he's lucky, that guy is like extremely skilled at riding reckless. Like, the way he just like, that's the true max risk of riding right there, is that guy. The way he lane splits traffic and flies on the highway at 180 miles an hour between cars. Like, he's been doing it for 6 years. Like, yeah, you can get lucky, but I mean, at some point, it's skill too. Like, the dude is skilled at riding extremely fast. That's dope and all, but that shit ain't for me, bro. I'm good on that, you know what I mean? Like, I'd rather flip the bike and fall on my own rather than hit a car going that speed. And I even posted a video for all you guys that have me on Instagram of a wreck that popped up on my thing the other day, and it was, oh, that was one of the worst crashes I've ever seen in my life. It was actually here in Florida. I think it was down south, and the guy was on the highway and he had a 360 camera recording and ran into the back of a pickup truck when he miscalculated the lane split. And stuff like that, man, makes me fucking sick. This is just like an empty road back here. I wish I knew how to clutch up though. Like, being able to clutch up is so much safer and easier, but I'll get there. Right now I'm just learning like the feeling of having the wheel in the air. It's crazy. Woo! That was a nasty one, boys. Holy! That is so fun. Like, oh my god, I love it. We'll hit a UE here and do it again. It's so hard to turn like this with my dampener on high. It's like these little movements. It's crazy. Some of them are like nasty and then the other ones are terrible. I'm gonna try like higher up. Maybe I gotta be higher in the rev range. So not like 6, maybe like 8, and I hit it. Damn. And there's a cop that just pulled up over there. Nice. That's the end of our wheelie practice. Damn, I wanted to hit a nasty one right here too. Oh well, that's the end of this video. I hope y'all enjoyed the content. I love you guys. As always, ride safe, be easy. I'm gonna pop the Instagram up right here. Make sure y'all go follow me on Instagram. Click the follow button, DM me if you have any questions, whatever it might be. Make sure you pop the TikTok up right here. Go follow me on TikTok, show love. My TikTok don't be booming, so turn me into a TikToker, follow me there. And then as always, YouTube, go follow me on the YouTube. Hit the like button, smash the subscribe, turn on post notifications. I'm gonna upload a lot more and I'm gonna keep grinding, so make sure you come check out these goofy ass videos. And then I got the links in the description for everything else. But as always, I love you guys, be safe, and don't erase yourself. Zay gang, later, peace.
Can't give you heart because you lied to me. Hey, wet flow signs, you ain't even slide for me. Had to cut you off, it was the vibes for me. And they be switching up, ain't no surprise to me. How you say you my dog, but you really not.